A Baldwin County deputy has been cleared in a wrongful death lawsuit for the 2017 shooting of a Louisiana man. A federal jury finding that Corporal Matthew Hunnity did not violate Jonathan Victor's constitutional rights when he shot the man to death along I-10 after Victor, who was unarmed, was involved in a car accident.
As WKRG News 5's Debbie Williams reports, the verdict in the wrongful death lawsuit could be the last chapter in this 8-year legal battle.
Put it down! Put it down! Put it down right now! Put it down! Put it down! Put it down!
Possibly the last words that Jonathan Victor ever heard before then Corporal Matthew Hunnity fired the shots that would kill him. The deputy, the subject of a wrongful death lawsuit this week in federal court, a jury concluding Hunnity did nothing wrong.
We got to tell our story in court. The jury heard it, and they were 100% in agreement with what happened that day.
In May of 2017, Victor crashed his car in the median of a section of I-10 in Baldwin County, not far from the Florida line. He was reportedly combative with first responders, getting out of the SUV with his hands out in front of him as if he had a gun, but there was no weapon. He did have a fanny pack and windbreaker wrapped around his hands, pointing at officers as he approached. After refusing the commands of Hunnity, the fatal shots were fired.
Lieutenant Hunnity put his life in danger for the rest of the deputies that were there, for the paramedics who were there, the firefighters there.
There was an audible sigh of relief when that verdict was read inside a packed courtroom. The Victor family had sued for almost $5 million, claiming that Hunnity had violated Victor's constitutional rights and had acted unlawfully.
And try to go after him personally and try to take everything that he personally owned. It was a huge burden. It'd be a huge burden for anybody.
Our attempts to get reaction from the Victor family on the verdict were unsuccessful. But in previous interviews, they said they were searching for answers. That's one thing the jury did not deliver.
We don't know why he did what he did, and we'll never know.
On the Baldwin County beat, Debbie Williams, WKRG News 5.